Okay, so here it is, test fitted on quad tips. To get it to fit, you have to trim the exhaust heat shield just a little bit here and here. Other than that, it takes a different route to the 240, but it still fits. You have to slightly amend the hangers under here. They set further back and the wider. Apart from that, it's gone on pretty straightforward. So here's the two exhausts side by side. So the alterations we had to do on the M2 exhaust is move the hanger back about 20 to 30 mil and out 25 mil each side. I've also transferred across the electronic valve from the 240 exhaust here. Apart from that, although they're quite a different shape, it still fits the exhaust tunnel absolutely fine. Up this end, obviously the 240 is the B58 engine and the M2, this is off, is the N55. So it has slightly different fit in this end. This flexi obviously goes onto your downpipe from your turbo, whereas on this joins onto your flexi then goes up. So all I've done is taken the straight section of pipe, cut it off and put that onto this. So now that M2 exhaust fits a 240i. One point that I should just mention is this brace goes over the exhaust tunnel. The exhaust runs through the middle here. I don't know if it's a fault of mine or not, but the new exhaust is slightly lower. So this just needs to be spaced out probably 10 to 15 mil from the body. So I'm just going to simply drill some holes in these plates, stick them underneath, and that should space it away just enough so there's clearance on the exhaust.